Have you ever tried to capture that special moment and this happened? How about those precious birthday moments? Your cool new trick. First trip overseas. Checking one off your bucket list. During your most memorable moments, this message is the last thing you want to see. Never run out of storage on your mobile device again. Introducing Dual Magic Flash, a dual-tip USB flash drive that connects seamlessly between iOS Lightning, micro USB, and USB devices. With a built-in SD card reader that instantly adds up to 256 gigabytes of extra storage. Conveniently transfers videos, pictures, music, contacts, and more. From your mobile device to any computer or smartphone. Dual Magic Flash. Make life simple and easy to share.